from all the four corners of the earth, especially Adabraka on the 21st Clinic building. I have with me here in the studios Yaw Buama. Yaw, morning.
Morning. No.
Kwaku Asante Yeboa Benedict. Then Nambi Nubi last week now the 100 tono and then Yami Adom. My controversial panelist. Oh, what to say? Yes. Very inept, and very calculative and very energetic. Oh, some of my fans need their own poll. With the politics, with the actually, the best I'm can be. Obviously, for your trust, you no pay. Na you know my Ghana home. Mu ya fadia na chese. Ene ena dotiye kesiye. Asanteman enyina ya to abese no na ya kwedu. Otoso miensa, right? Asante hima. Ne ena ne dotiye shase nti se ne empani aka no yenje na emenye fe. Na asante eni monyam ne asante amamre ne namane techemate obia ema ho ye hyetuntum ye firi hanoma ye nyina yakobo ani akohoma na yakosua de ewo ofikasiem eno ntihye ne so santemawura oni asantema na nanama trankonya nyina yekosoa mamo yako ye nyina so ma ye ho yako nipadom ne firi wiase afa na nyina eba enti senche ye o ma ye no mum ye ni so Asante yedi ehuni na bibia enkotote. President Mahama announced the first processing plant under the Nkukon Ketenkete project. Or say procurement stage no edu enjebia. Sa Nkukon Ketenkete no omo ye construction baby kesia omo de Nkukon Ketenkete no ebede. Ebeba okwa inspecte National Service Secretariat, National Service Authority. Eye Nkukwa a womo eyen womo enya de keto womo Poultry farm. Na for say ni donko Deputy Director of Operations one lady na is here on the acting friend say senior na seto. Sedo. One no any omampani na omo kwa pro. Yentie some omampani di tuja.
Next month, we are going to launch the Nkukon Ketenkete project. And so, we are going to build processing plants in different parts of the country. And the first processing plant is going through procurement. And once the procurement authority approves it, we will start to construct it. Other parts of the country would also have processing plants. So when we buy the chicks off you, we'll take them to the processing plants. We'll process the chickens and package them nicely with Nkukon Ketenkete brand on them. And then we'll supply them directly to the supermarkets and to the cold store owners who sell chicken. This will help us to cut our huge poultry import bill. We should be able to produce enough poultry to feed the whole of Ghana. Once the Nkukon Ketenkete project takes off, we believe that in 3 years, we'll be producing almost 100% of the chicken that we eat in Ghana ourselves.
Okay.
So that we can stop bringing Nkuko Funu from outside. We don't know how those chickens were raised. In many of the countries, they use genetically modified chickens. In many of the countries, they inject the chickens with hormones. We want fresh, Ghanaian-grown chicken.
Penisi ya nyungu go funu bio. Ba statement ya no deal. Because you almost are more important Nkuko yo. The president say Nkuko funu di is yaw. Na ye call restaurant so Nkuko funu yaw.
They promote he say kutu say bama Asante Akoko.
Asante Akoko. Asante ya Akoko be de wa.
Oh say
bibia de Asante to. Le fi Akoko na Asante Akoko.
Say Asante Akoko say kutu say bam.
Asante Akoko de anu sure de no ma fon.
And I'm not one day at Nissa.
And I'm not one sir. But they could do yes, Santiago.
I would tell you if you was a come up.
Oh, we are going to say here, the penny pottery. I
one in Pania.
I don't say to say, Bob.
Yeah, the young one.
Anyway, I don't know, Dr. Mahmoud Baomi answer warm. They want some about the say or say. But your query report no. Well, who be working kind? Say a link is report no. Say MPP in Joe Mudi or no or small womb any baby I will free. Or then another danko din komo or catch and says Michael query report on the bar. Naya say or ye man prusini. Naya say or ye cremoninti and or din cha. Or catching another say report no ba. Na sa na tia obetwe ne ho. Ba wo mea.
Okwe report no ba ye. Me kan kire Nana Akufo-Addo. Na ye wo meeting mo. Enye me ne no nkwa. Me ne no nkrofo bi. Ena ye meeting. Ena ye di nkomo ye say we e wo ho boku wo ho. Ye say we a Muslim and we nyina na ye di nkomo e hwe reasons are. And I make country and now Akufo-Addo say, Papa, media, ye in Shuemua, Okwe report ye, a bar, and na Omuka say, Dr. Baumia, we are Kramoninti, and I say, Mampusi Kusa Sinti, na ye Lucy Abano, media, maybe step it down, me copy. Sana make country, me Papa Nana Akufo-Addo. Because the person interest ahead of the party. The party's interest must always be ahead of me. Because of the party, I will sacrifice any ambition. If me you be lose.
Okay, I don't see. There's someone also the two jar and no. Na minority leader Fenyo Markin was say NDC national officer threatening life. Any national organizer, any other senior members, Woma Trokrata Koma IGP, as a Wabuniagu, Nasum Akatanani. Now you see an IGP a moment who say you were NDC Ghana and you were MPP Ghana. Afenyo Markin.
The time has come for political leaders to end the I do you, you do me, or you do me, I do you. Cannot be sustained. Ghana must make progress. Since 1992, when we started this democracy, we've gone through challenges. I think that under this reset dispensation, we'll see something different. But this situation of abusing human rights under the guise of ensuring law and order isn't there here nor there. If you look at the charges, these are all misdemeanor. These are charges that are not serious offenses. If you say somebody is publishing fake news with the intent to cause fear and panic, it's a mere misdemeanor. Then you again say that his conduct is offensive conduct and it breaches the peace. These are not serious matters. And I mean, this shouldn't lead to somebody being put in Black Maria.
Okay. Enunti Afenyo no. It's a brand terrorist. National organizer of the New Patriotic Party na Obusa said 1 week remand of Bono MPP regional chairman no. Obusa said Ade Akye Abia said or a terrorist ana. Na misdemeanor enso so yetimi de obi kotum sa remand ni biu. No Obusa said ti azoka a omo che say or no police for inviting no man bail no. ono na 7 ne abronya de na ehu a zoka say so beto afenyo mark yanko ye be by elections obeku no abronya aka so obeku IGP anasa dey ono so asema obusa no
in for another 1 week. In fact, I am surprised that a misdemeanor could attract such high-handedness. The approach is bad. It's just abuse of his rights. You saw almost about 100 policemen fully armed to the teeth. Is he a terrorist? Has he committed treason? Is he a treasonable offense? Look, even when we were in court, we saw of a news item where Sofu Azoka, who has actually threatened to kill the minority leader, he was arrested, granted bail the same day, and he's been directed to appear before the court on the 12th of September or so. In fact, we even have the constituency communications officer for the NDC in Boakye, who openly said that they are looking for my good self, Honorable Anodompre, and the minority leader to kill, and that they are after us. The video is viral. In fact, the new Patriotic Party officially petitioned the IGP, signed by the General Secretary. As we speak, we have not even received any official correspondence from the police.
Okay. And also so at the Foreign Affairs Minister Okuja Tabla at the 6 million safer at the Akoma distressed Ghanaians or more Ivory Coast. Now, see, 8,000 refugees have returned home, urging the remaining 5,000 to do same. Also,
reduced to about 5,300. And now the latest census that has been conducted indicates that you have reduced to about 5,309. And so that means that more than half have returned. We want to encourage all of you to return. President Mahama, as Commander-in-Chief of the Ghana Armed Forces, has put in place a number of measures. There's been massive security deployment. Camps have been established. A committee has been set up to mediate between the traditional leaders on all sides, and calm has been restored. So I'm here to deliver a message to you from the President that it is time to go back. Don't be scared. You will meet adequate security. You will be safe. So we encourage you to go back. You will observe that your colleagues who returned home are okay, they are safe. They have not had to rush back here. So that should give you confirmation. If you had any doubt that the situation has been resolved, that should give you confirmation. The almost 8,000 people who have left have not come back
Okay. Yeah. Ade Akye, Moache. Asante, Moache. Mejidi sa mo ye. Ensam ni gu apron so, de opeso taki bia, ma me sha so Asante, ma me chiu.
O ma kakra me sha sia free and say me go to the later mrante he. O kan say mo say asem de ketwa na kofa kese ba. On say by nature no say be nipa wonyi ne wo akora ketwa. Edua besi ho a wonyini obewo dua ba ketwa. But asem de ketekete ne ba eko na yere se jasa
asem kese ba frankincense so.
Sa na opeso kire. Ye ka besi nyina ye ye ka besi a ne say atiwa anase akotia by election say ekoye ne ekoto aba simple. The modalities were set. I can say about 5,500 police officers were there. Yeah, to aba sunjuma na mo ka kire say allegedly NDC for na kan yo as chief supervisor ka ka kire say afenyo markings akọ NDC for office akotiti posters whether it was true or not no be any ye wo ha hu ye supervisor ka ne Masawood or didn't say wo ne ase Ghana fo nyina ehuni na Ghana for expert say on that day na azuka be chi no say dem na city ya nche no ne later date ye muka se amma papa na ma say we do form so mfa nko hospital later better say ya che no with that space of time say bia na police for delay no and Brian went on he went overboard quick can say bibia kofa we nyina buy o ma dey make can say asemi see na police for ye more when say proactive and can say pi no and can kwatwetwema and also nche say bia police for delay ye Ghana for e dem ra ebe hye ensem akeka ensem bia say bio ye ninya so and the make can open say no crazy afanyo mark and kwati obi poster whether it is true or not yet we to be verified
because that is even criminal.
Very good. And the me am ten and back at Ghana police officer say afanyo markings akwa kwati poster and tian kwachi no say no credit as of now
I na mo invited.
that is a problem. And the men make answer and the police for motor one ka say mon kwachi we na makwachi we mon kwachi we na makwachi na nipa 5 times 5 na gugu wo no na fa so be na wo so enti no eye modwuma me nyam na be kire me se mon kwachi bi ko mo na mo kwachi obi a mo na mo be charge na nkasa be de ebobo no. And with regards to law no on my side them account kire happen me oni me jechi say me the law no me woni say eye obi na ede mra na ye adwuma say de wo si pe because me sin simple me law no me nyimpi ni abronya ya ma no 1 week ye tio judge bi an ko be ma no 1 day or not amra na nya ne hwe masa wood ye ne chiefs of azo kaya ya granting him be on that same day no judge be transfer we so et na shame be 1 week so where is the law say I say the law is explained or executed at the bottom. I say you need standard be
the whims and caprices
that is my worry. I've said this repeatedly. Say me say almost here apply mrano a problem wo ho na say ye mrano entiawa near the do obi a na I say wo no emfa ho ba hu the moment mrano ye be apply na say awo hu nipa na that's why you begin to react but on no person make any omanpanyini abediachi Dr. Mahmoud Bamia ka say MPP defeat no say ekoba say nhwemu na nkasa bi o ye mampusi ni ana say mozamini a enkoba was it's fair and no crazy nya no nko a the factors were many but oman we are team no sebi omanpanya abediachi ye Dr. Mahmoud Bamia MPP as a political party oman we ye ni omo history party ni ye elite sebi we po munim wo nimdie chire nsemu communication so a few years back MPP for kasa radio ni TV so yaw ye nyina nyada ye de ekwotie sebe wisdom eye de na afa de ne obi akotra ho a ase okasa ma party ni party ene ma MPP lose ye sebe onya temidie nko na ebia ndisi for didi wo mo na mo lose ye o what dey make enti no party no sanitize system no me pa dey make what ni pa bi kasa ebe ye wakono ebe ye wo de say me MPP and then even so opposition crack as MPP opposition 2016 no omutimi kan se me na party in government no na ne ho po na se obese wo ye niam abebo ama party no fence NDC ateki niam on board
omo communication no akwai say emu ai ha
nipo mo ko TV no radio ko kasa se bi wo mo ka en kan akoma
grind e share bufu kra
de me de manu be.
Thank you very much. Yaw. Yes.
Ade Akye Abia. Na sante madam pem. Na akota ye adwuma wo ho. Ensemtwefo ye adwuma wo fie ho nom no. There are guidelines bi. I say yes so say yamaye access to fie ho ene enema bebre but emrade da ho ya grace ehwe platform no so a na nkode adom ye nkakra niema omode amaye de ebetima ye de ntimi nye ni nyina nsentwe ni bia bloggers no kra nyankopon ya adom a Saturday no chairman Piggy olidi the media subcommittee no with comedy nkra omo eya de bia ni je ho pa normally bon say bloggers ni na musa but omo bo omo nyina no say omo accreditation but accreditation na ye de ma wo no o parameters ni
hwe na wantra ho
wan ko
tronse hunu bi
mo
bo anase omo ko prepreja
aha
and Ohin we ba e kra was say as Ohin na kasa tiasante
or the critic content.
You can't come and create content here.
Enya ha na de be create
Content.
and no eche so no yen traditional media no so no your accreditation no a delay kakra yen your accreditation no mo de ma ye no any bloggers no so ye wum because ye benya access to certain areas bloggers no enya the from Saturday no edbc enra na dwunyina na traditional media ni nyina ewo ahemfie ye fi ho no mo kra na ye be like 8-9 thereof na ye fi ho no mo na omo sort it out any ade but ni nyina mu no akoto mama ye guidelines be omo kire say yakopon ya adom echina eyi ba ko ni we ye ne a ye kɔ na asante madam pema no pay efri enra e be sia no pay ye kwa akɔhwe na ni echi no hwan na wanko ye ohu nyansani sɛ wo kɔfa phone e de ahye wo ho sɛ wo kɔ uduru ha na de atwa
say cameras microphones mobile phones pens button cameras any similar equipment are permitted during the filing past of the asante man to don't be so much say hwe na wan fa camera obu ana button na camera ye chiwa
space
glasses any recordable equipment and fanko we tiawa
nti wo kwa na wadi wo hu ni the next one also so here for yen TV ni radio for ye kwa ye adwuma ho no see only TV stations with operational van and your friend OB van enra omo say station bi a the OB van na eba bia no ye makwan ma wo fa mesi your friend say main ho nemum fa ko museum achi ho
ya sheda
allocated that place between ye GBC o ye CNN o ye Al Jazeera obi ade ne OB van ko si ho na o de twin cables ne bra ne be ye o broadcast na o pesa wo ye and drones system ne ade eno so e wo honom drone no o be flyer any security for ni nkomo
enye say ko na drone to bomb
mo na omun screen drone no na drone no so ye ma access
because drones to bomb no American drones
enye bomb nko ya baby oni kwan say obetwa drone be ma eyi no background na e dangerous no
we so ye drones ne de no
within or around the vicinity of Nana Himes Palace. Any breach of this directive will lead to the drone being disabled without warning. To be one here, what you pa? No drone. If you you will see, you will pick debris.
Let me on the radar.
Mo India no so no. Ya for the next one no so. Good. We
only TV station. Ya can't wait. Ya next one.
Yeah, car passes near the
Grace. Ya tell no Barcelona is 6. Oh.
Be 5. Now for young call
6.
On for young call
and Man City. My goodness.
Oh my aboma you the end.
Oh, ya Grace ne delay.
On for young call enra yewra so koye inspection.
Okay.
Enra yewra ye inspection e wo preparations akoso baby e de sante hima ebeto amadofo akọ henani
echi
yes we ye
mra enwumre omo ye na na wo ye mu ano wa hu videos no
yes
on say ya na ekuta wo ma na wo ye mu ano oh I wish we could have the video
enra we ye bia
enra I say one day design friends ayi Rome Hotel Jamfi the man ba ko na design
okay
yaw awo so ni mawo ye o sie funu ni ade no
yeah
ono so na se se ohima atompem
yeah
enti ayi na ye o sa design we ne ye Rome Hotel ba Jamfi how yes I design on I design we
enti enra event ne start ye nwumre no enra so ye hu ade bi akonfo be come from enwumre be 5 edikosia na dwo be 10 honuma na ho nyina akonfo no ebe come ye no so ya grace or pictures no ene ade a we nyina ye Saturday ni nsuo ni to nyina ne Sunday no nsuo ni gugu nyina hu se nananom na mu eye
nti enne na dot yi ahyase
enne na ahyase okwa na wadi ohuni
wow
bibia bi wo fie ho enra migina honom na wa unua S5 eja ebeye ne setup bebia
ase wakofa asemaba abusiafo ma me fan tudwa X5 wa devotee se osoma santeman enti every day enwumre bia no ohene sori a ode enipa ahanum aduane ebe komanhia pacho ye de komanhia enye X5 enti empa Ghana card go so kodidi
omo esom
omo so
omo dwumadie
no on say ahinkwa no ni ade no oshes no ni ade no why are they papa every evening 500 people from Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday now 500 book and nipa bia kana agosum empanifo aba ombedi die oti enyasem ketwa kokusa pon ya de papa wa suma sante ohini ba so me say asante ni so afana kan ma oti ise fe no ohini ba kokusa pon
enra onongwa ne stance obebo honum ne tent awabebo no onongwa ne dey different
machisa kwani di free charge
and setup awaye wo honum
o de okwa awofrosoro ne ko hwe ani so enie ma o de abebe ye twuma no sa branche enra me am chance wo ebeifo o so ebeifo preko pre
enra mi ho omunyina ba honum na ye wo ye company na opese obe display product honum a akota also apply to
don't just bring anything you can do that
chief of staff officer nye obia say sorry I said ne sorry anu asesa niema de kwa kosi onu mo say also odo niema ba bi sisi onu ma ba be display o say o troko the chief of staff's office
say company na ye liberty conference kra ye liberty conference ke o be tuma fa obi bia ba ho so o ne koyobo nsoma di ko
ya ma wa accreditation na
ya ha no obi anko
akota omo say ewom so omo movie a whole like Konfanoche to Mensia, a whole Mensia government hospital to Mensia, benya mini clinics in vans near the
ed and for pressure.
Nana here in the assembly so my or say a woman said doctors were her, nurses were her, name stress over ya PBB to yem.
Yes, I know who are ye a honor check pressure. I know people checking sugar, mammy. As I say, but so the old no be a said, some checking pressure.
Mo, a woman say, doctors or
Mamma could go a chap.
When you compare you, my doctors in my new Musubi, Opeka Crato Yemwa.
I did it. So, you can't say they are continuing the year, Debbie. Eti anopa uti na abenuma enoi
mo
ye ma me no mpani fo no wa nim so pressure
yes
didi na no maduru o diabetes didi na no maduru yes asante ma asante ma so be fa ho awu
ndebi
ya adaba
ko pe djuma ma omo ewo
aye no ne kesi esitie ne wuwura mu so be pie kra no it take you some time
yes
nti fasha utiri mu what you say
enye easy
wo ho no
nipa ne do
na omo boso na obia eda ese public ne ngohwe or him and the can you imagine? It is all because who contem.
Yeah,
who we are no appear. We go ahead and say, oh, quite sat on us and the bachelor's one. Heat Kakraba on one. That's why we are what they are. Doctors, maybe or Mubenya, you found you on now. No, one him and echo.
A hold on the ability to say first aid.
And to be slower.
So,
Didi,
indeed.
Now, X5 no was here.
Mo. Ena S5 so abeye aduane ni bi ewo hwa
aduane wa cho betuma to bi adi
baby a stool lance for no S5 ashes abeye aduane fufuo bibia wo ho no
obeso di fufuo
betuma to bi adi wo ho
okay so ena we kra so ya asantiti no obete so
mo any other restaurant ma who say Guinness for abeye almost set up a club beer and ho anwan for na be almost set up for
baby
and any akwata say
yes bubura nyina
from enra na nya sem ketu
am for we be ofa ho
akwata na wana na yete
abeda so ofa ho
akwata wana na yete
Asema mga unyima no.
Agwaja.
Okay, abusia for ye na ne ho bra.
Me bra kwa me. Wa na ne ete.
Also kope patra. Wa edi grano be busy. Wo udwuma be di ho. Abusia for ye na ne ho aba enra na agudie ni mo de. Man City no Donnarumma kyerɛ sɛ wɔyɛ keeper.
Oh, why is number 1?
Didn't tell you number 1. And no you say is
the Man City,
the Man City team that we know some years back is back.
Well,
Barcelona and as usual, Valencia demolition. Yeah, the chair money could say 10, but we were storing energy for Yanom in the future.
There's in Newcastle.
Over there, Newcastle. They say, "Wow, him, for so tip off for Brainy. All the details right here.